Welcome to Creative World viewers. Today I will solve chapter 1 exercise problem number 29. In this scenario we will be using electrical power conventional formula, which is voltage multiplied by current. We also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, the element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and the element with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First, read the scenario. Element 2 in figure 1.29 absorbs the power of 32 watt. Find the power absorbed or supplied by element 1 and 3. Three elements 1, 2 and 3 are connected in series with their corresponding voltage shown here, and the element 2 power is also given in scenario, which is 32 watt, and this power is being absorbed by element 2. We have to calculate the element 1 and 3 power and also identify either that power is being supplied or absorbed. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards solution. I have redrawn the circuit here. Power of element 2 is shown here with positive magnitude because this power is being absorbed by element 2. The data which is collected from this question is power of element 2 32 watt, voltage across element 1 which is 4 volt, voltage across element 2 8 volt, and voltage across element 3 12 volt, and we have to calculate P1 and P3. In order to calculate the power 1 and power 3, we should have two parameters of these elements. One is voltage and the other one is current passing through these elements. But right now in this circuit we don't have the value of current, so we can use the data of element 2 to find out the current through element 2, and because of series connection, same current with same magnitude will be passing through other two elements as well. From the given data of element 2, power and voltage, we can easily calculate current by using power formula. Power is equal to voltage multiplied by current, and rearranging the equation and entering the values of element 2, power is 32 watt and voltage across element 2 is 8 volt, so the current will be 4 ampere. Now this 4 ampere will also be passing through element 1 and 3 with the same direction, and the direction of current will be this. Because it was mentioned that element 2 is absorbing power, and in order to absorb power through element 2, the current should be enter from positive terminal and leave from negative terminal. That's why the direction of current in element 2 will be this, and same direction of current will be passing through element 1 and 3 with same magnitude of 4 ampere. Now we have the direction and magnitude of current through element 1 and 3, and voltage across these two elements are also given. We can calculate the power of these two. Power of element 1 will be voltage across this element and the current through this element is equal to minus 16 watt. Now I would like to share that how we taken this current with minus sign. Using the basic concept of passive sign convention theory, if current is entering from negative terminal of element and leaving from positive terminal of element, then we will take that current with negative sign. That's why we used here negative sign, and the power is minus 16 watt of element 1. Similarly, the power of element 3 can be calculated. Voltage across this element 3 is 12 volt and the current through this element 3 is 4 ampere. Here the sign of current will be positive just because the current is entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal of this element 3. So its answer will be 48 watt. P1 is negative power, so this power is being supplied through element 1 because of this minus sign, and P3 is positive power, so this power will be absorbed by element 3. This was question number 29. Thank you. See you in next video.